Right, good evening. It's the 2nd of September and it's about 7 o'clock on Sunday, so nothing else to do. Telly's rubbish. So I haven't showed you before. I don't know if you've ever seen them, but some of my drinkers, they split on the top. Everything is here inside. So I'm going to repair them because this is the second one I'm going to repair on the smaller ones. As you can see, I'm in my garage. You've all seen the garage before. I'm sorry about the reflection up there. So I'm just keep putting things down. I don't know what I'll do with it. This would be nice if I could have a radio one, but I decided to share what I'm doing because I'm that sort of nice person. So I've got some grit, 70 grit. I use 70 grit fine sandpaper just to. What do they? Okay, 70 grit sandpaper. Just smooth, but sand down the area that I'm going to repair. I'm no GRP expert. Oh, it's gone all the way around here as well. Yes, I'm no expert. This stuff can get quite messy as well, the GRP stuff. So I bought this kit here. I'm not getting paid or anything, you know, this is just me, you know. And it smells, everything gets fiberglass. Oh, lots of pairs of gloves. Got your tin of resin. Got a little pointless pot with a little bit of resin, you put your resin in. Destruction manual. I know how to do it. So what I end up doing is buying more brushes because you only get one brush, and after a while they just go hard. Oh yeah, here's the hardener and the GRP fiberglass stuff. God, it's stinking that stuff, I can smell it. I'm probably going to have a shower after as well because it's horrible stuff. You get quite a big sheet, it's all folded up. It's quite a bit. £12 this cost me, this little kit. And I've no idea what it is in dollars, Canadian dollars, American dollars, euros is probably about 15 euros, I'm only guessing, in the Europeans. I know there's one European, there's a European, not Europe, you're saying Inga, everyone knows Inga. Let's try and, oh, that's worse. So yeah, I've cut my the resin sheet, not the resin sheet, the fiberglass bit. Now I'm just gonna, I need you above me really. Let's see, got you on. The only good thing about this video, I can edit that bit out. So there is the... Oh. Well, that kind of fits. Two seconds, I've just got to make an invention. Not an invention, but... It's probably going to be a two-part series. Because obviously I'm going to do one side, let it dry, and then so I've got it hanging up because that handle's getting in the way. I lost my tripod, I don't know where it is. So, not the best view, but so this is a resin. Oh, I'm not going to work out. I ain't got a clue. Oh, I put my rubber gloves on. These are well, I'm no. These are probably not latex gloves because you're not allowed to have latex gloves, but because people get got allergies against latex. Everyone knows that. Plus it's not gonna work. Don't normally like wearing gloves for things, but these seem pretty good. Look at them boys. That's one. I actually have. I haven't got a real kitchen roll just in case it gets too messy. Really, I want that. Right. So, I'm just going to put some in. So I put it on the resin on 20. I even got a backup brush as well. Yep. Oh, these gloves. Check the gloves out. So you don't need a lot of hardener in these things, but obviously you want it to dry quicker, you put more in. Let's see if I can move it. It's going to be about there. Nope. Right, so hope you can still hear me. You probably can't hear me. Well, it might do. So now I'm gonna open the hardener up. You probably can't see. That's good. Yeah, I'm at. So mix. Yeah. You can buy these. Like if you run out of just hardener, you can go buy more hardener. And stuff. Or more resin. And now I've got to not quickly, put a bit of kitchen towel down so I don't get, I know it's my worktop. I'm going to use this, so now I'll do a bit of painting. Haven't done any of this for a while. I'm going to tip it on. So true, you got to be quick. Dip it on. This stuff really works on my drinkers. I've had a couple, 2 drinkers like it, I think. See, if I put too much hardener in, it settles off too quick, and then you can't work with it. But then if you want things to dry quick, well, I should be wearing a mask really, but I've got a garage door open, so I think it's well ventilated. So that's that bit covered. Let's turn this around so I can get to this side. Ah, no. I just dripped that all over. So I have to cut a bit more out and do another mix. Because there's a crack, yeah, here. See one point in there? There's a crack down there, but that might have. Just do this a little bit, so it's cracked over here as well on the side. So I didn't put too much hardener in, so it's not gonna harden off just yet. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this, what I'm doing actually. Well, I'm going to quickly cut another square. What have I done with the scissors? I'll cut another square out. my last drags of the resin now, so it's just starting to go hard in the container now, so I've got to make sure it's all sealed. It looks good, really good. Okay, so that's the first stage done. I don't even know what time it is. That's 25 past 7. That was quite a success. This brush here is going to go hard. Looks like I got another one for my next job. Oh. So I'm going to come back in 10 minutes and I'll show you the result. Well, I'm back. It's been 10 minutes. You won't even know that, but it's solid. Still a little bit tacky, but I'm just looking over it and all seems to be sealed. So my next job is to do the inside. It's a bloody pain. Yep. Yeah, so the next job is in here. That's a little bit more awkward, but it'll be fine. I can do it. Right, got my black gloves on again, a new set because they're a bit sticky. So now I'm gonna put you up there again, and you will see I got cut some GIP again. Get rid of my scissors. I'm hoping my phone don't die because the charger won't reach. Nice shower when I've finished. This is a problem I got that. Perfect. Oh. Right, perfect. Now I'm gonna mix some more resin in my old tub. Can't see. Okay, I can just see. Put a little bit more in. I was a little bit not short, but last time I put 20 in, and now I put 30 in. Sorry you can't see, but can't mix. I can't keep moving the phone at the minute because I don't even want to get resin on it. God, still it's quite stuffy here. It's been like 20, 23 degrees, 24 degrees. There's no sun. There's a little bit of sun, but nothing to get excited about. So that's all mixed up. I'm literally gonna pour it. Whoa, strong stuff. This is the trouble now, I can't really once I get some in, it'll keep it in place. Yeah, this is the awkward. I'm literally just tipping it from the top, spreading it around. Oh, come here. I'm just hoping I haven't moved it too much. Oh God. Hope you can see that. I've got something else I can repair, but I haven't got it with me. That's a shame. Where the chickens are. My container I had to do the water. Last little bit, you use it all up on there. And then I'll chuck the mixing container away. Probably can't see now. And same with this brush. It's getting tacky now, look. Getting tacky. Check. Yeah. So I'll do the test tomorrow, and then he said I should know if it's worked. Moving the resin, that will come off on the side here once it's set properly. It's setting. It's setting. I'll give it a proper clean out before I put water back in it. Back in it. Oh, I wish you can smell that. God. Well, I don't wish you could smell that. It's not nice at all. That's that job done. Still, yeah, it's getting hard now. Let's put this back. No, that's fine. So what you got to do next time is just get a container and a stirrer and some more stirrer, container, and another brush. I can buy all that from a brush from like a cheap one you use for doing roofs. And you can buy a hardener. I ain't got a lot of hardener left. I'll just put this away. So there's a strip there and a strip on the top. Yeah, that's solid, and so is that going to be solid. So I'll bring it. No light. I'll bring it back in here tomorrow, and I'll do a water test for you. Hi, good evening. It's Tuesday. It's about 7:30. So it's 2 days since I've done the resin repair on the drinker. All looks sealed. That all looks sealed and all nicely there, as you can see. Yeah, lovely. And the same in here. Yep, it's all sealed. Don't smell no more, so it's always a good sign. So I'm gonna pour some water in and see if it leaks. No leakage. So it's sealed, it feels lovely. Feels sealed up. Right, there's some water. Yeah, it's not leaking. Oh, I'm pleased with that. I am pleased. So that's it with the video. Finished. Yeah, finished. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and share it with your friends. I have a new Facebook, YouTube page. The link will be down in the description. Also, I have posted this out on the other one. I have Snapchat, and it's Paddy Goes Racing. So, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you later. Bye.